Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming course. In the previous lecture, we learned about lists. We saw how to create lists, access elements, modify them, and use useful methods such as append, insert, remove, and sort. Today we are going to learn about important Python data structure called a tuple. At first glance, a tuple looks very similar to lists, but there is one major difference that makes them unique. Let's begin. So what is a tuple? A tuple is a collection of multiple values stored in a single variable. Just like lists, tuple can store integers, floating point numbers, strings, boolean values, and any mixed data types. The main difference is that tuples are immutable. So immutable means once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be changed or their values can be changed. So to create a tuple use parentheses instead of square brackets as we seen earlier in lists. So to make a tuple, I'll make variable, let's say a fruit, parentheses, then quote, banana, papaya, guava. Now if I check its type, print type of fruit, okay, it has given some error. Indent, there is an indentation error. Okay, now if I run it, as you can see here, it got printed. If I check its type, it should be a tuple now, as you can see here, class tuple. Now let's create another tuple which will contain numbers. Number 1, 1, 4, 6, any numbers, random numbers. Print number 1, again run it. There is an indent again. As you can see here, it got printed now. So integers are also available in tuple. But why use tuple? You may ask, if list can do everything, why do we need tuples? That is a good question, but suppose you are storing days of the week or months of the year, mathematical constants, or some country codes. These values don't just regularly change. Instead of using a list, you can use tuple to prevent accidental modifications. This also makes your program safer. And now we will access the tuple elements just like lists. We will use indexing here. For example, if I want to take first element from this list, I'll use square brackets, then for first element I'll use 0 here, index, and as you can see 1 got printed. If I want the last one, or let's say second one, I will run it, 656. So indexing is working correctly. Now we will also see the negative indexing by using just a negative to get the last number. As you can see, 69646. Now we will see the tuple slicing. Tuple slicing is also possible just like the list by using 0 is to, let's say 2. It will go from 0 to 1. 1 and 656. If I change it to -1, it should print all the values. Okay, in the list and dictionary and tuples, this is not, it is nth -1, so it will only go up to 65. So if I change it to, let's say, 5, as you can see now it's giving us correctly. Now immutability. Now let's come the most important property. Let's change the tuple. Let's suppose I want to change the first element of the tuple to be something other, as we change in list. Let's say 45. I want the second index to be 45. It will give us an error because tuple is immutable, so I can't change its values directly. Now we'll compare lists and tuples. List contains square brackets and they are mutable, but also you can add elements into it, remove and also modify the elements of the list. But in tuple, it's seen by using parenthesis, which is also immutable, and you can't directly add the elements and also can't remove them and also can't modify, unlike lists. Now we'll see the tuple length. How can you calculate it? Same as using the length function, you can calculate the length of any tuple. Let's say I take the num1 example. 4 elements are there in the num1. Now you can also loop through the tuples to print all the values by using for loop. For I num1 print I and run it 1665 69646. Now we'll also see membership operator in this. How? I'll comment it down and I'll use the same here. Now I want to check whether banana is there or not in the fruit. It should give a boolean value, banana in fruit. It should give us true error. Okay, indentation error. It's give us true. See here, if I add random characters, it should give us false. Now working correctly. Now tuple methods. Unlike lists, tuple have only two commonly used methods, which is count and number 2 is index. Now count will be used to count how many times an element appears. For example, I take the number 1, add the repetitive numbers. For example, 1 3 times, 4, and print count one num.count num1.count. Now run it. It should give us 4. As you can see, 4 here. If I search 656, only one time, so working perfectly. Now index. Using the index, you can return the position of the element. Let's suppose I want to find the index of 656, which should be 1. It will give us 1. Let's suppose I want to find out the 65. It should give us 2. As you can see here, 2 is giving. Now tuple packing. Python automatically packs value into tuple. For example, if we write something like this, I'll say data Rahul age mark 600, pass is true, and then I print it. It should also give us the tuple value. Okay, indentation error, no worries. As you can see here, Python automatically converted into a tuple even without parenthesis. It created a tuple. Now we can also unpack the tuple elements. For example, if we have a tuple here, I'll make it a tuple. And now I assign its values. For example, name, age, marks, and passing equals to data. It will assign these column to this. So when I print, I only want to print the name. It should give us Rahul, as you can see here, Rahul. And if I write age here, as you can see, age also got printed. So this was tuple unpacking. Now nested tuples, which is already tuple inside tuples. How you can make it? Let's see. I have made a tuple here, nested tuple. When I go to print it, it should give tuple inside tuple, as you can see here, just like the lists, but they are tuples. Now we can also convert tuples into list. We can because we can't modify the tuples, so we have methods to convert tuples into a list. How? You can do like, suppose this is a matrix tuple and I wanted to change it to matrix to list. I'll make a new variable matrix to lists and use a list function and change matrix to a list, and when printed matrix to list, it should give us a list. As you can see here, tuple is inside a list now. Also, we can now append anything into it. For example, I want to add another something. I can do that by using variable dot append any fruit, and then I print it. As you can see here, it got appended in the last. So it is very easy to convert to list if you want to add any elements or modify the elements. Similarly, you can also convert it to the lists to tuple. If it's a list, you can again change list to tuple. Tuple of matrix to list, and then print this one. I know it got complicated, but as you can see here, it again got converted to the tuple. So you can just convert it if you want to modify any data. Now we will make some programs. So likewise, I have a data here. of a student. This is a data. Now I want to print only the first one. Print the name of student, which is Rahul, and I'll use string slicing here. I'll take student 0, then I copy it, roll number, subject, and CGPA. And I'll change all their indexes. If I go to run it, as you can see here, name Rahul, roll number, subject, CGPA. Now we will differentiate between tuple versus list performance. You might wonder which one is faster. Generally, tuples are slightly faster than list because they cannot be modified. They also use very little memory. That's why developers use tuple whenever data should remain constant. Now, before wrapping our session, we'll come to our some common beginner mistakes people make. So number one would be using square brackets instead of parenthesis. So using square brackets, it will make a list instead of tuple. Now mistake number two will be trying to change tuple elements. As you know, tuples are immutable, so it cannot be changed, and if you try to change it, Python will give you the type error. Now number three will be creating a tuple with only one element. If you create any one element, it will not be a tuple. Let's see what I'm trying to say. If I make a tuple with only one value, parenthesis, for example, I'll take one element and then going to print its type, it will give us an error. Now again run it, it will not give us a couple, instead a string. Why? Because it's only a one value, so Python doesn't know whether you are trying to make a string or a tuple, so it makes it into a default data type, which is string here. So it made a string. If we just add one comma here, it will now recognize it as a tuple. So this one was a mistake. Now I want you to make some mini project which will be a student record. There will be a tuple stored with the data of the student, its name, age, his scores, and his CGPA, and you have to write particular name in one line, then its name, then roll number, then its age, its CGPA, anything you want. Now let's summarize today's lecture. What we have learned today: what is a tuple, differentiate between lists and tuples, creating tuples, indexing, negative indexing, slicing, tuple immutability, length of the tuple, looping through tuples, membership or operators in tuples, count operator, index, tuple packing, tuple unpacking, nested tuples, converting between list and tuples, common beginners mistakes. Now tuples are idle when you have data that should remain constant through the program. They are simple, efficient, and widely used in Python applications. In the next lecture, we'll learn about sets in Python, which are another collection type used to store values and perform mathematical set operations like union and intersection. Thank you for watching. Practice creating tuples, unpacking them, and using the count index methods. I'll see you in the next lecture. Peace out. Thank you. Bye.
Why do I look like that? This is kind of creepy. Why do I look like this in the very beginning?
Let's go, chat. Get ready. Spin up the W's. Here we go. Come on. Let's go.
What's up, chat? We're gonna have an amazing stream today. We're probably gonna play some Fortnite, so lock in.
Guys, stop spamming L stream.
Yo, Spade, what is the chat saying? You look sad, bro.
Ronaldo, bro, they saying L stream. I don't know what I did wrong, bruh.
Bro, what?
Which one of y'all in the chat just sent that?
Don't go to sleep tonight. I'm coming for you. Every single one of y'all in this stream right now. Do not go to sleep tonight. I am coming for you.
What you just witnessed was something none. If you ever went to this is where it all began. My name is Jonathan Fletcher. I was the detective assigned to the disturbing case. This was a routine case. I was wrong.
Yes, boss. What is it? I'm on my way to work now.
I need you at my office now. It's important. Don't you dare turn.
Whatever.
Ronaldo!
Is that Cristiano Ronaldo? Ronaldo, Sui! Please, Sui!
What the f- Let's go. Clock into work. Let's go. Chat, y'all think the game... Bro, what the fuck? Come on, bro. Why you making my damn face like this, bro? Chat, y'all think this game gonna be good, yes or no? Speak to your boss in his office. Wait, in his office? Wait, this one? Speed boost? Oh, what the fuck? Bro, did you just add a damn backflip as a jump scare? Bro, what is you doing? This man added a damn ISO speed backflip. Bro, Chad, I'm about to get pissed, bro. I'm about to dead ass get pissed, bro. Ain't no way he just added an ISO speed backflip as a...
Listen, kid, there's a new job for you. You'll be working undercover for this one. Apartment 67. The man inside is iShow Speed. 5 years ago, he vanished after murdering Talking Ben.
I want to be friends.
Yes.
Okay, we friends now?
No.
Are you serious right now, bro?
What? Bro,
You pose as a delivery
I'm about to beat...
driver. Get in.
Wait, 6'7"?
Don't
Oh,
blow your cover.
bro. Chat, this game, bro. This dude got the nerve to ask 6'7". Okay, deliver the door to Nord. Deliver the door to door 6'6". God, chat, he keep trying to make me say 6'7". Wait, where's 6'7" at? Okay. Let's go to door 67, chat. Chat, stop spamming 6'7". Wait, this isn't door 67. Where's 67 at? Stop spamming 6, bro. Come on, y'all. Oh my God, 67. All right, chat, we here. We here at the door 67. Let's see what happens. Come on, like and sub, baby. 6'7".
Is this door number 67? I've got a parcel for you.
Yes, this is apartment number 67.
Well, great. I'll just leave your parcel here then.
Listen, bro, I've been looking for some new friends. Want to hang out?
Of course. Bro, what the You just stop. Why the fuck? Bro, why did you add? Why are you adding that? I don't do that. I don't just be like, yo, you wanna, like, what is you doing, bro? Chat, do I hang out with Speed? Yes or no? Chat, do I hang out with Speed? Yes or no? Do I hang out with Speed? Yes or no? Come on, chat, it's Speed, bro. It's Speed, bro. We got it. Chat, bro. I feel like we gotta hang out with my boy Speed, chat. It's Speed. Bro, chat, I feel like we have to. Chat, why not, chat? Let me hang out with Speed, chat. Of course, bro. Of course I want to hang out with my boy Speed. Of course.
Come on in, bruh.
What the
Hey, bro, listen, I'm gonna cook us up some food. You just chill for a little bit and do not go into the basement. That's a warning.
What the fuck you mean I'm going to the basement? Oh, look, chat, it's my setup. It's my setup, bro. ISO speed lot. Chat, do I go in the basement? Chat, do I go in ISO speed basement? What does ISO speed have in his basement? Chat, should I go in ISO speed basement? Should I go in his basement? Let's go in ISO speed basement. Ooh, this is Pete. What the hell? What does he have in his basement, bro? Bro. This is ISO speed basement. What the Am I tweaking or are they looking at me? Bro, am I tweaking or are they looking at me, chat? What the heck? Hey! Why the hell is his hair moving? What type of shit is this? Find the tape. Pick up tape. Watch the tape on the TV. Okay, let's watch the tape on the TV.
What does he want from me?
Suey! When I met the beast, 11/11, the day which changed me. The moment I met the beast, ISO speed.
What does he want from me?
Suey! Why would I get... How did I knew the... Chat, yeah. Bro, wow! What the bro, what you looking at? What is y'all looking at? What the hell is y'all looking at, bro? Damn. Like, what? Bro.
I told you not to go into the basement. You chose not to listen.
Sorry, Speed.
And now you're gonna pay the price.
No, bro. What the f... No!
Where am I?
Chat, am I cooked? Chat, am I cooked? Am I cooked? Find your phone and contact your boss. Boss Speed has captured me. I don't know where I am. Not the time, dude. I'm trying to eat and watch a movie. I don't know what he's going to do. Help me, please. Not my problem, bud. For your information, if you don't come to work tomorrow, you're fired. I will fuck you too, man. Check the CCTV for a way out.
Hold on,
Messi!
wait. I need to zoom in on this.
Is that Messi?
Is that Messi? No way Speed and Ronaldo still have him captured. Maybe he knows the way out. I need to find him.
Bro, why does... Bruh! Why is Messi locked in... Bro! Find Messi and escape. Chat, hold on, wait. So, chat, you telling me I gotta... Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Chat, you telling me, bro. Bro, let me get speed boost, bro. Bro, chat, you telling me. This dude. What is Messi doing here? Chat, what is Messi doing here? And why does Speed have Messi in his basin? Why does ISO Speed have... Chat, do I help Messi, yes or no? Chat, do I help Messi, yes or no? Look at him, chat, he crying. Bro, he crying. Messi is literally crying. Oh my gosh. Bro. Why is... Bro, I'm live right now, bro. Messi's stuck in my basement. I mean, no. Bro, I'm live right now in my basement. I mean, bro, I'm live right now in my basement. I mean, bro, I'm live right now in my basement. I mean, bro, I'm live right now in my basement. Hold on, chat. I forgot. Bro, nah, bro. Hold on, chat. Chat, do I help? Basement. I mean, bro, I'm live right now in my basement. I mean, bro, I'm live right now in my basement. I mean, bro, I'm live right now in my basement. All right, bad chat. I won't help him. But chat, I ain't gonna lie. We gotta at least talk to him, bro. Chat, we gotta at least talk to him, chat. We gotta see what's going on, bro. I'm not gonna help him, though. Chat, I'm not gonna help Messi, bro. I'm not gonna help him. Yo, Messi, you all right? Messi, you all right? Messi. Bro. Bro, listen. Help. What, bro? Wait. I'ma say no, bro. I'ma say no, chat. What?
Follow me, brother.
Bro, what? I thought I pressed no. Chat, did I not press no? Bro, why is Messi still insisting? Ah, shit, you nigga. Bro, motherfucker.
You want to escape, right?
Bro.
I challenge Messi to a boxing match for your freedom.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What the fuck is going on?
Today is I Show
What is
Speed
going on?
versus Messi. Will Messi finally be free? And now, let's welcome I Show Speed to the ring.
What the hell is going on? Bro, what is happening? Man, what the hell going on? What is going on?
And now, let's welcome Messi to the ring.
What the fuck? Is that the Naruto run? Bro, what the hell is going on?
Round 1, fight.
What's your name? Speed. Speed.
And the winner, I Show Speed.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat. W's in
Ronaldo, what's up? Ronaldo, it's me.
See you later. I Show Slow.
Why would he? Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Why would Ronaldo do that to I Show Speed? What? Chat, should we help Speed out? Look at Speed, chat. He looks sad. Chat, bro, we gotta help
Now, it's where Ronaldo went.
A few moments later.
What? Bro, where are we?
What the heck? What the heck?
It looks like a football pitch, but
Happening? Chad, what is happening? Oh my gosh. What is happening? Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Chad, Ronaldo, but what in the fuck is that? Is that a tarantula? The hell? What the hell is that? Ah, nigga! I'm like, you stupid. Yeah, yo, Actually, actual speed 2 + 2 is 4. You fucking dude. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Stop. Bro, this dumbass, like, bro, you see how this game did that, bro? You see how this game just did that, bro? Like, chat, look at the psychologically of this game. I turned right to look at the spider, then turned left, it was a damn centipede to the left. Man, what the hell is that, bro? Come on, bro. Oh my gosh. But chat, Ronaldo betrayed me, bro. Ronaldo was the one who betrayed me this whole time. The whole time it was Ronaldo. Come on, bro. All right, chat. Let's press the button. Let's go, chat. Let's press the button. Let's see. Come on.
Brother, what did you do?
Speed, what happened?
What?
I got my friend to activate the destruct button in the back rooms. I will end this for good.
What happened to my powers?
Oh my gosh.
Speed, you have to save me.
Don't listen to Messi. Save me instead.
But chat, Ronaldo betrayed me. But I love Ronaldo. Messi did try to help me, but I love Ronaldo though, bro. Chat. Do I save Messi or save Ronaldo? Guys.
Ronaldo.
Saving
take
Ronaldo.
my hand.
I'm saving Ronaldo. I'm saving Ronaldo. I'm saving
Ronaldo. No!
What the fuck did I just play? What the hell?